It's a $21 profit margin. If you sell 5 of those in one day, we're talking $100. You know what I mean? So, yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm gonna talk about Redbubble pricing strategy. Moros, comment down below on a previous video, which right here, this is the question. He wanted to know my pricing strategy. So I'm gonna share it with you guys in this video. And before we get into the content, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. All right, so pricing, how I price my products on Redbubble, right? As you guys can see, you can see that I'm making some sales over here. $2.25, $9.18. I'm not sure exactly how much of this. $7. That's in euros, right? Yeah, $8 one right here, $14 one, $2 one, and you go on and so forth, so forth. It's just to show you, like, it does sell. It's selling consistently, and you can see I'm making consistent sales over here on Redbubble. Redbubble is not my main focus, guys. I'm more of a merch by Amazon, but I do put a lot of, like, you know, if it's selling over there and I see it doing really well, and then you know, just pretty much been implementing and just putting it over here on Redbubble too as well. Kind of keep away from more of this, keep away from the scale designs over here on Redbubble, because I don't want to, like, kind of flood the platform with anything. I do definitely need to get a ton of designs up over here from last year, so that is one thing that I'm like, oh, okay, cool, I got to get over here and get all this up. So I have them in place to upload, but there's just a ton of them, right? So I'm gonna come over here to my Redbubble account. If you aren't aware, I've sold over 1,000 products over here on Redbubble, so that's pretty cool. But as far as like the markups and the margins, you guys can see 55%, okay, pretty much on every single product. And the idea behind this, guys, is because it does sell at 55% markup, right? It does sell, okay? As I showed you over there on the email, it sells. There's consistent sales over here, right? And not including that, I still have to probably get like around 6 months of designs still up, but they do sell at 55% markups. Now, if I scroll down, I do with the stickers, right? And this is something that you guys probably want to see. I do stickers at a 200% markup. And why is that? Okay, the goal is to, and then those are the ones you probably see at $2 are probably sticker sales. But if it was like at 55% markup, it will probably be like a 50-cent sale, right? A 50-cent profit. Now that I have it at 200%, it would be $2, $3, $4. And then the one that you seen like at $14 or $15 or whatever it was, that high profit margin right there was probably like a t-shirt or a hoodie or something like that. So you're getting higher profit margins that you can see right here, your margins, and you see the markup. This gives you the example right here. $9, $11, right? Now, if let's say you just focus on one product over here, right? You're getting a really good margin. Let's say you're focusing only on fitted scoop t-shirts, right? You're gonna get a $10 margin every time one sells. Now let's go down right here. A-line dress, right? I sold a few of these before. I'm not sure who is buying my designs on the dresses, but they do sell. It's a $21 profit margin. You sell 5 of those in one day, we're talking $100. You know what I mean? So I do not want to make a sale and make, you know, no less than $2, $3, right? I don't want to make 50 cents on a sale. I don't want to do that personally myself, okay? So I'd rather focus on a quality design and put it up to the price I want it, right? And then that's all worth it to me, right? So leggings, you see $18 and so on and so forth. You guys are getting the point right here. Stickers are like one of the best sellers, and then masks are one of the best sellers for me too as well. And you can see as I go down, everything. Oh, look at this. Sneaky, huh? But yeah, this is big because it just, I wouldn't want to go any lower than this. And I've tested it at this, and I had a few people test it at this, and they tell me, hey, RJ, just keep it at 55%. You're going to just crush, right? You're seeing like kids masks, fitted masks, $5, $9. And it honestly too, at the end of the day, like, it just depends on you. I don't like to tell somebody that they should run their business and price it at that level. Me personally, I've been testing, and you can see the amount of sales that I have on my Redbubble account. I've done 20%, I've done 10%, I've done 25%, done 35. You know what I mean? And I've done, you can see I've done 30 or wherever that was just on the screen. I have done all that, and I've tested, me personally, and I tested over the years. And then 55% is like a good markup for me. And then with stickers, no less than 200%. The 300%, if you can get it up there and do some damage over there, that'd be really cool too as well. But understand that designing for each product is always going to be different. It's cool that you can put one product and enable them on different products, on multiple products. but some designs don't work on certain products, right? At the end of the day, some designs don't work on certain products. And I think that if you understand that, it's going to make a big difference with your business, right? Because let's say you just want to focus on one product on Redbubble. You can do that. You don't have to upload them to all products. But if you just want to, let's say you focus just on standard t-shirts, right? It's like what I do with my Merch by Amazon account. I focus on standard t-shirts. And then once I see them selling, I look at the other products and see if they look good over there, and I add them over there. So it's pretty much all up to you when it comes to this. But I just want to kind of give you guys an insight on what is working for me as an individual, and that's helped me make consistent sales over here on Redbubble. And it's a big game changer for me, right? It brings in a nice anywhere between $200 to $400 a month, and it's really cool. So I think this is just something that I can see that it works. I just need to do more of and grow it, because I feel like this can make like no less than $1,000 a month over here on Redbubble, right? I can do way more over here, but my main focus is Merch by Amazon, right? Like I'm gonna go back to this Merch by Amazon, and then it'll be KDP, and then making content on YouTube. And then this is just like the cherry on top to help pay, for my VAs and my illustrators and stuff like that. So I kind of leverage this, but it doesn't mean that this can't do just as good, right? Because there's a lot of opportunity over here with Redbubble, and I think it's a really amazing opportunity. And I just want to share this, guys, with you and give you guys some insights. And make sure you guys watch my other video right here.